जोहार दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 पेपर 2। क्वेश्चन है मुंडा शासन व्यवस्था में महतो निम्नलिखित में से किस भूमिका में मुख्यतः रहते हैं? पहला ऑप्शन न्याय व्यवस्था की अध्यक्षता करना, दूसरा ऑप्शन ग्रामीणों तक महत्वपूर्ण सूचनाएं पहुंचाना, तीसरा ऑप्शन लगान व्यवस्था देखना, चौथा ऑप्शन रीति रिवाजों की देख देख करना। तो ये है ऑप्शन हमारा C2, लगान व्यवस्था देखना। तो Mahato है एक important village level functionary under the Munda system. His main responsibility was to assist the Munda in revenue related work, especially collection and supervision of taxes or rent, acting as an intermediary between villagers and higher authority. Munda administrative system government was organized by hierarchical distinct role at village cluster of village levels. तो इस वीडियो में हम देख रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 55। क्वेश्चन है टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रोल्स इज अ Mahato रिलेटेड इन Munda एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम? पहला ऑप्शन टू प्रिसाइड ओवर जुडिशियल प्रोसेस, दूसरा ऑप्शन टू कम्युनिकेट इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन टू द विलेजर्स, तीसरा ऑप्शन टू सुपरवाइज टैक्सेशन, चौथा ऑप्शन टू टेक केयर ऑफ राइट्स एंड रिचुअल्स। तो जो लिखा हुआ है टू प्रिसाइड ओवर जुडिशियल प्रोसेस, ये इनकरेक्ट है। In the Munda administrative system, judicial matters were mainly handled by the Munda village head and higher traditional bodies like the Pada Panchayat. The Mahato did not preside over courts or judicial proceedings. दूसरा, to communicate important information to the villagers, ये भी incorrect. The role of messenger or announcer was performed by officials such as the Gorayat or Kartaha, not the Mahato. तीसरा ऑप्शन टू सुपरवाइज टैक्सेशन, ये करेक्ट है। द Mahato was an important village level functionary under the Munda system. His main responsibility was to assist the Munda in revenue-related work, especially collection and supervision of taxes or rent, acting as an intermediary between villagers and higher authority. Therefore, Mahato was directly associated with the taxation and revenue supervision. To take care of rites and rituals, religious and ritual duties were performed by officials like the Pahan, village priest. The Mahato had no religious or ritual role in the Munda administrative system. In the Munda administrative system, the Mahato was primarily responsible for supervising taxation and revenue matters. In the traditional Munda administration, the governance was organized hierarchically with the distinct role at the village and cluster of village levels. Village level administration, the Munda served as the head of the village, overseeing overall administration, resolving disputes, maintaining law and order, and representing the village in larger councils. The Pahan acted as the village priest, responsible for religious rituals. Secondary village officials, the Mahato function as the secular headman or assistant to the Munda. Key duties of the Mahato included assisting the Munda in administrative tasks, presiding over village councils in the absence of the Munda, ensuring implementation of decisions regarding disputes, festivals, and communal matters, spreading important information across the villages, acting as a communicator or coordinator. Cluster level administration, Padha or Pidh. Groups of villages were organized into clusters of and overseen by a Manki, who dealt with the cases and resolved at the village level. The Mahato would coordinate with the Manki, acting as the liaison between the village and the cluster council. The Mahato in the Munda administrative system is primarily a village level secular headman who supports the Munda, supervises local administration, and presides over local council meeting when needed. This role is administrative and social, distinctly separated from religious duties handled by the Pahan. तो हमने देखा है इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 महातो से रिलेटेड था। मुंडा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम में काम क्या करता है? तो सुपरवाइज टैक्सेशन, लगान व्यवस्था देखना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 अगला वीडियो में देखेंगे। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, जय झारखंड।